We made a tutorial for the Efflorescence and Rust Remover. To use this remover, you will need protective eyewear, gloves, a sponge, and a scrub pad. The Efflorescence and Rust Remover is a strong acid cleaner that removes rust on metals and concrete and eliminates efflorescence and calcium deposits. To use this remover, ensure you are in a well-ventilated space and wear protective gloves and safety glasses. Apply this remover on the surface with a sponge for small areas or a mop for larger areas. Allow the remover to work for 2 to 5 minutes. For this tutorial, we let the remover work for 5 minutes. After allowing the remover to work for a few minutes, scrub residues and stains with a scrub pad or brush. For this tutorial, we are using the FCS Solutions white scrub pad. After scrubbing away the rust, rinse the area thoroughly with water. Repeat this process if necessary to ensure all of the rust and/or efflorescence has been removed from the surface. The first time we used this remover, it lifted much of the rust from the most stubborn spots, so we used the remover a second time to get all of the rust removed from the hammer. An optional last step is to rinse the cleaned area with a small amount of the FCS Solutions heavy-duty cleaner diluted in water to neutralize any acid residue from the remover. When using this remover, it is important to note that it will etch marble and calcareous stone and can potentially tarnish chrome and stainless steel. This remover is easy to use and will revive rusty surfaces in no time. Comparing the before and after, you can see this remover returned this hammer back to its original silver metal look. To shop Efflorescence and Rust Remover, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.